Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Greengram in coconut sauce known as Pojo nazi in Kiswahili. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 cup of thick coconut milk, 2 sliced tomatoes, 1 cup of boiled green grams, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, some salt to taste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 slice of onion, and lastly 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. In a medium-large pot, you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Then add the sliced onions and cook the onions till they start turning color. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, some sliced tomatoes, and sprinkle a bit of salt. Then cook on a medium heat till the tomatoes become soft and juicy. Once the tomatoes become soft and juicy like this, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and give a quick mix. Afterwards, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and give a quick mix. Then cook for at least 1 minute. Then pour a 1/4 cup of water and continue mixing and let the stew to cook till it becomes thick. When the stew is thick like this, you're going to add the boiled green grams and mix the green grams very well with the stew. Afterwards, I'm going to pour 1.5 cup of light coconut milk. I've divided the thick coconut milk into 2, then I added some water, then I got the light coconut milk. Then stir constantly and let the green grams to cook on a low-medium heat. So I decided to add some chicken soup. I've used magi or you can use jumbo, and if you don't have, it's optional. Then mix everything well. So lastly, I'm going to pour the remaining thick coconut milk. Pour a bit by a bit while mixing, then afterwards let the green grams to continue to cook. Once you're done adding the thick coconut milk, let the green grams to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes while you stir constantly till the green grams become thick. Once your stew is nicely cooked and thick like this, then serve your green grams in a bowl. And my tasty green grams in coconut sauce is ready, as you can see in the video. This stew is so tasty. You can eat along with chapati, mandazi, rice, bread, or anything that you like and enjoy your green grams. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukia's Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.